Here's one. This is the bones in the body of the human arm, the bird arm, and the bat arm as well. They have wings, we have hands, And there's very similar bones. And some people think that this means that there was a common ancestor, but I believe that means there was a common designer. Just because that you have screws and bolts in a Honda and screws and bolts in a Ford, that doesn't mean that they evolved from a Volkswagen. Is just ludicrous. Some people think that this proves that. Again, I think it proves a common designer because these things may be called similar bones, but I think that the bird's wings and the feathers are very intricately designed to help them fly, as well as the coloration in many birds that has to do with mating and have to do with just like telling species from species. The bat wing, again, different sizes for different species of bats because there's a bunch of different species of bats, and I think that like the human end of arm tooling as like someone who's studied robotics, it is so wild. Like if you study it, just like a rudimentary bit of it, like look at what they put in factories to deal with stuff, and our hands are so very complicated that a human being could draw a picture like this if they're trained. You know, another thing to study is like it's amazing what people could draw with their hands given enough time and practice. Um, but I think that these are different tools, like with different uses. But I think that they all come from a common creator, a grand designer. Again, if you look at robotics or you look at like the automobile industry, or you look at like HVAC, this all that stuff, you'll see just how complex the human body is and all the bodies of all the animals. That there has to be a great designer to make all the amazing things. Because not only can we do amazing things with our bodies, but our bodies heal on their own. They don't have to. Most of the time, unless there's catastrophic damage, you don't have to replace parts. And these machines, the human, the bird, and the bat, they reproduce. You can make more of them. And I think that screams a designer. But whatever you do, if you ponder this or not, I hope you have a wonderful day. And God bless you, friend. Goodbye.